Namaste and welcome to day 4 of the 10-day Ageless Glow More Challenge. See, at 44, I have realized that youth doesn't fade with age. It fades जब हम अपने आप को चूज करना बंद कर देते हैं. See, every time you say I'm too old, अभी कौन स्किन केयर करेगा? Body is listening, remember. But when you choose to show up for yourself, आप अपने लिए टाइम लेते हैं, ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, फेस योगा करते हैं. Your cells are listening. See, aging less is not a denial of time. It's a devotion to life. And remember, each and everything that we do, including this small oil massage that we are about to do, is telling your body कि I love you and I am choosing you again and again and again. And that is what matters. See, आज जो हम स्टोरी सुनने वाले हैं और स्टोरी सुनते सुनते आपको पता है you have to keep massaging each and every point. The whole hand is a nervous system. The whole hand is listening. So make sure कोई भी point ignore ना रह जाए. See, the only person who stays with you from your first breath to the last is your own body. उसका ध्यान नहीं रखोगे आप तो कौन रखेगा? See, real beauty जो होती है ना, that's not youth. It's devotion to the body that has served you for the entire life. And अभी आज हम जो स्टोरी सुनेंगे वो हमारी कम्युनिटी के एक सीनियर मेंबर की हैं, उषा जी की. See, उषा जी has started doing this. She is learning face yoga. She is massaging with all the 3 oils. She is sitting in our community with all the young minds and open heart. And look at her face. See the softness, the light in her eyes. See, this is not anti-aging. This is energy coming back in the cells. See, this is the same Shakti that moves through a 14-year-old जब उनकी एक्ने ठीक होती है. 14-year-old कितने टीनेजर्स हैं जो अपने एक्ने ठीक कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ? This is the same energy that is going through 17-year-old as well, जो उनको उनकी शाइन, उनकी स्माइल वापस करते हैं. This is the same Shakti that is in me, that is in you, and that is everywhere. So close your eyes, press your hand against your heart, and say, if Usha ji can shine again, so can I.
पिगमेंटेशन था ना यहाँ पे मेरा, ये सब निकल गया और यहाँ पे रिंकल थे वो कम हो गए और यहाँ पे भी बहुत था, लाइन बहुत थी, वो भी काफी कम हो गया. फेस में ग्लो आ गया. पहले बीच में बिल्कुल ग्लो नहीं था, लेकिन ये करने के बाद अभी ये ग्लो होना शुरू हो गया. मैंने कहा अभी तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. काफी
अच्छा.
चेंजेस आ गई है फेस में. मैंने
अच्छा.
फोटो भी आपको भेजा है तो आपको दिखने में पता चलेगा कि कितना
हाँ.
चेंजेस है. ये ब्रांड तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी है. 10 दिन में इतना फर्क आ गया है. मैंने स्टार्टिंग से ये यूज नहीं किया था. मैं दूसरी क्रीम यूज कर रही थी, लेकिन मैंने देखा कि कुछ खास फर्क नहीं आ रहा है. फिर मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट मंगाया था. बेली पहले मैं नहा के आती थी तो स्किन बहुत ड्राई लगती थी. अभी मैंने ये लगाना शुरू किया तो स्किन अभी ड्राई नहीं लगती है, इसलिए मैं कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ. मैं ये फंक्शन पे जाती हूँ तो फेशियल कराती हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली बॉम्बे से पुणे आई हूँ किसी फंक्शन के लिए. तो मेरे फ्रेंड ने कहा करना है क्या फेशियल? मैं कहा नहीं, इस बार तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, जरूरत ही नहीं है कराने की.
जी मैम, बहुत अच्छी
ये
बात.
सब प्रोडक्ट यूज करने के बाद कुमकुम आदि जो है केसर उनका, उसका स्मेल बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. ये रोल ऑन जो है, रोल ऑन से काफी फर्क पड़ा है. रोल ऑन से मुझको ये यहाँ पे जो दाग थे वो सब निकल गए हैं. पहले मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आती, 3-3 4-4 बजे तक जागती थी. ये मसाज और डाइट का ये सब करने के बाद टचवुड मेरे को 10 साढ़े 10 बजता है और नींद आ जाती है. मैं सो जाती हूँ. पहले मुझको नींद की बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी. मेरा डाइट बरोबर हो गया है, मेरी नींद अच्छी हो गई है, मेरे फेस में ग्लो आया है. और क्या चाहिए? बोलते ये एज में भी कैसे ग्लो कर रही है, क्या कर रही है? मैं कहा मैं फेस योगा करती हूँ, तुम लोग भी करो चाहिए तो. काफी मुझे अपने फेस में ग्लो फील हो रहा है. सिर्फ मुझे नहीं, घर में भी सब जन कह रहे हैं कि काफी फर्क आया है. फिर मेरी डॉटर ने दुबई में जो रहती है, फिर उन्होंने भी कहा कि मुझे भी ज्वाइन करना है. मेरी एक फ्रेंड है पुणे में, वो भी कह रही थी ये सब बकवास है, कुछ नहीं होता है ऐसा वैसा. फिर मैं इस बार दिवाली में जब गई थी तभी उनको काफी फर्क मालूम पड़ा, तो फिर उन्होंने भी ज्वाइन कर दिया. प्रियंका मैम तो उसका तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं जाता है, इतना अच्छा है. बात करने में, सिखाने में, हर बात में एकदम मतलब सॉफ्टली. कितने भी क्वेश्चन करो गुस्सा नहीं होती है, बोलती है मैं हूँ, जितना जो भी आपको पूछना है पूछ सकते हैं। वही तो बहुत अच्छा करा रही है, इसलिए तो मन होता है करने के लिए। बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझाती है, अच्छी तरह से कराती है, बेस्ट टीचर है। क्लास को तो फुल्ली 10 आउट ऑफ 10। वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। जिस दिन नहीं होता है हम लोग नीचे ऊपर हो जाते हैं, अरे आज क्लास क्यों नहीं हुआ। मतलब मिस नहीं करती हूँ, जैसा हो सके कभी मिस नहीं करती हूँ। पहले मुझे पहले वीकनेस बहुत ज्यादा होती थी, थोड़ा काम करती थी मैं थक जाती थी और मैं सो जाती थी, फिर उठ के वापस करती थी। टचवुड वो भी अभी नहीं है। इतने दिनों में ही मुझे इतना फर्क मालूम पड़ रहा है, तो आगे तो होगा ही होगा।
Very nice, very nice. So just press your palms together and feel that vibration on your face. And if you are ready, comment ready day 4 and your name in the comment section. So ready day 4 Priyanka, ready day 4 Usha, like that you comment right now so that your attendance is marked. And make sure to share your picture in the community because I want to see how you are looking on day 4. That's very, very important. See, I check all the pictures every day, so make sure to send it. And we will move to the bathroom ritual now. Make sure to have your 3 organics kit because the kit is the power, the class is the flow. And together they give you glow. See you in the bathroom ritual. Welcome to the bathroom ritual. So let us start. I have my 3 organics kit ready. सबसे पहले हम अंडर आई रोल ऑन लेंगे and let's start. Because बहुत सारे लोग हमें बोलते हैं dark circles, dull skin, especially under eyes. See, because under eyes सबसे पहले collagen weak होना start होता है and that is why this roll on has flaxseed, which is rich in omega-3, perfect for collagen boost. Okay? हम क्या करेंगे? Make sure your hands are clean before you touch your face. Under the eyes से हमें ears तक we have to pull, okay? Not pull but kind of move. Tap, tap, tap. I think that is better. Tap, tap, tap. See, always I like, whenever I am using oil, I put it on damp skin. अगर टोनर नहीं भी है तो water is there. Now you know this is my favorite. Okay, now we take the face oil. For face oil, some people say कि कभी-कभी face oil लगाने के बाद हमें चेहरा थोड़ा सा ऑयली लगता है. See, immediately अगर थोड़ा ऑयल लगता है, that is perfectly fine. But let's say after this you do the face yoga, which is like from now till 20 more minutes. अगर तब तक भी लगता है तो only in that case, most like in 95% of the cases वो तो तभी अंदर चला जाएगा. But अगर उसके बाद कुछ ऑयल बचता है, तो I will take a damp towel. टॉवल को थोड़ा सा पानी में लिया and dab 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 dab. That's it. Okay? ऑयल को छोड़ के हमें बाहर नहीं जाना, मतलब like so you will not go to your office with that. So जितना भी अगर एक्सेस बचा मैं उसे एक डैम्प टॉवल से डैब 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 कर लेंगे. आप देखेंगे विद इन 5 मिनट्स पानी इवेपोरेट हो जाएगा एंड देन इट विल बी वेरी स्मूथ. बट फॉर मोस्ट पीपल लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं तो कितना भी कुमकुम आदि तेल ले लूँ एक बार थोड़ा 10-15 मिनट में एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट इन. So it depends on the skin to skin. Some people say I have got a sensitive skin. What we have seen is once they start doing these rituals with us, skin की sensitivity कम हो जाती है. See, because skin is sensitive because something else is also sensitive inside the body. आपको लग रहा है वो डस्ट मेरा दुश्मन है, वो लाइक सम पोलन कम्स एंड विच हैज बीन वेरी नेचुरल थिंग्स, बट वो हमें एलर्जीज लगती हैं। धीरे धीरे जब आप ये सब रिचुअल्स करते जाएंगे, आप देखेंगे विद इन 1 month इटसेल्फ आपके वो सब अटैक्स थोड़े थोड़े कम होने शुरू हो जाएंगे। एंड दैट इज वाई वी हैवंट सीन टू मच ऑफ दिस थिंग कि किसी ने बोला मेरी सेंसिटिव स्किन है, हम उनको एक्ने ऑयल देते हैं, एंड यूजुअली दैट्स फाइन। These are the real cases which I get. So I'll take 2 drops. Okay. Time for face massage. Make sure each and every part of the face is covered. Neck is covered. Neck के पीछे, आगे. कान के यहाँ तक जाके सॉरी बोलना, जिसका भी बोलना। मोटा मोटा पिंच करना। And a lot of stress gets stored around the 2 corners of the mouth as well. So what do? We apply a little bit of lip balm. Lip balm which has got multiple uses, including your cuticle cream, your foot cream, your hand cream, your your elbow cream. Okay, I apply some lip balm and then deep breathing. ये एरिया में आपको फील होगा कि lot of strong things are there. Let's come to our nose now. I know all of these look very funny.
And the way I speak with my nose closed is also very funny.
Now here we vibrate, okay? All right. Now time for some ear massage. I already have some oil. So, or you can take a little bit of this rose geranium oil. But if you have oily skin, you will take jojoba tea tree oil. Okay? Always before applying, smell it. I'm sure आपको मेरे फेस देख के ही वहां तक स्मेल आ गई होगी. ओके, थोड़ा सा हैंड्स पे लगा लिया और थोड़ा सा ईयर्स पे. सी ईयर्स के पीछे देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. ओके, एक एक पॉइंट का डिस्क्राइब करेंगे ना. अभी आई टेक 1 hour. सो व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट? प्रेस ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट. ईयर के सामने, यहाँ पे 3 बड़े पॉइंट्स हैं ईयर के सामने, ईयर्स के पीछे एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ द ईयर से हम नीचे नीचे नीचे. little bit of, I'll just sit down and we will do a little bit of hair massage using our, hair fall control oil. Now I'll tell you a story about this. Now you will see this oil is always like, हमारा घर पे खत्म ही रहता है. And the reason is not me. The reason is Amulya. So he would order these things from Amazon. Even though this is our product, वो Amazon से order करेगा ताकि खत्म नहीं होना चाहिए घर पे. Okay? And I'll tell you something interesting now. So hair में कैसे होता है? So there is a big muscle that is going from this point. यहाँ पे शुरू होती है वो. Okay? थोड़ा वाइब्रेट कर देते हैं. यहाँ से लेके वो यहाँ तक जाती है single big muscle, like from here to here, and then एक muscle from here to here. And that is why you see in a number of male clients usually, यहाँ से, जैसे क्योंकि वो मसल यहाँ से है, तो usually इधर ब्लड की कमी नहीं होती and ना ही इधर होती है. कहाँ पे होती है? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. Because this part is like center of that muscle. Now ये जो part है, यहाँ पर हमें ensure करना है कि blood flow हमेशा जाए. Because यहाँ तो चला जाता है और यहाँ bottom की तरफ भी चला जाता है. This is the part where it tends to, as your life becomes more stressful, ये वाला part बेचारा neglected हो जाता है. And now are you surprised कि जो baldness होती है वो या तो यहाँ से आती है या यहाँ पे आती है, right? Okay. So हम क्या करेंगे? ये जो हमारा crown area यहाँ पे, इसकी मसाज करेंगे ताकि ये एरिया तो सेफ है, यहाँ पे तो ब्लड है, बट यू डोंट वांट हेयर फॉल टू कम फ्रॉम दिस एरिया बिकॉज ये एरिया में सबसे ज्यादा आता है. ओके, आई विल सिट नाइसली. ऑयल लेके सो फ्रॉम ईयर्स दिस बॉर्डर एरिया को if somebody else does that for you, और अच्छा है. So if you have a child, a husband, a wife, you can partner with them. वो आपके करेंगे, आप उनके करेंगे. तब तक खुद की अपने आप कर लो. बाल चढ़वाने का क्या फायदा? And make sure to use pure oils like this. Hair fall को बाहर करो. See, और argan oil ना एक myth है. वो ऑयल है ही. सो आर्गन ऑयल की कमिडोजेनिक रेटिंग होती है 0, विच मीन्स इट इज एज गुड एज अ सीरम, नॉन स्टिकी एट ऑल. ओके, एंड नाउ आई विल टेक दिस एरिया. We go out in the sun first and then the face yoga. Okay, so I see you.
Alright, so we are in the garden again. So with feet exposed, so no chappal in the feet and navel exposed towards sunlight. We look at the sun with a lot of love for 30 seconds. If the sun is too harsh, so you can close your eyes also but face should be towards the sun. Feel the sun's shadow here and focus on that for 30 seconds. Now focus on the wind that is touching your shoulders, the earth that is beneath your feet. See, if you don't have a garden, you can even do it in a balcony. That is perfectly fine. But कुछ तो start करें. चाहे sunlight तो sunlight, और अगर दोनों ही मिल जाएं तो बहुत अच्छी बात. But still, at least start somewhere. चाहे balcony में ही, चाहे खिड़की को खोल के थोड़ा सा sun ले लिया. Start somewhere. Okay? So now we will do reverse walk because that's very good for the brain, and you can do as fast or as slow as you like. If you can't run, that's all right. You can also walk slowly. We'll do it one more time. वापस से उल्टा चलेंगे. Okay? Try walking in a straight line. That will be fun. Again, we go back. Try to stay in a straight line. All right? You can even close your eyes because that will also help you balance, but don't fall into something and then say, Priyanka ma'am ne kara diya. Oh my God. All right? ठीक है. So now we will do face and body tapping. Okay? Start with the face, ताकि whatever oils we applied, they get absorbed deeply. Breathing अच्छे से करते रहना है हमें. Okay? See, all these exercises आपको मज़ा लेते हुए करना है. So it shouldn't look like a task. It should be like, you know, a thing that you enjoy, a thing that you want to do every single day. Okay? So अगर कहीं पर भी आपको ऐसा लगता है exercise के time sun is too harsh, because on some days it will be harsh, some days it will be soft. तो आप soft जहाँ पर थोड़ा shade आ रहा हो वहाँ पर आके आप ये exercises करेंगे. See, अपनी बॉडी को रीड करते हुए चलना है. Your body will tell you when something is too much, when something is fine, and we have to respect that. We have to respect that intelligence more than any other teacher. Okay? Okay. Now rest of the face yoga, please try to do at least for 15 more minutes. You do it sitting down like this. I will go to the studio and see you from the studio, but आप यहीं पर बैठ के take a deep breath. Till then, I will see you from the studio and feel the earth, feel the fresh air, feel the sky. Say thank you to the sky for taking care of you and to the sun. Let's do the face yoga. कम से कम 10-15 मिनट और यहीं बैठना, and then you can move in if you want. Okay? Let's start with our actual exercises. So the first one, we are going to practice some vowels. So it's not a children's class, but it's oo, e, oo, e. That's all. We have to do it 10 times. How many times? 10 times. Oo, e, oo, e. Come on, everyone. Let's start. Oo, e, oo, e, oo, e. Now hold for 1 second when you do that position. Oo, e, oo, e. U, E. U, E. Okay, very well. So the next one, take a deep breath before the next one. The next one is we are going to kiss on the side. So what are we going to do in this? So we are going to make a pout and then on the side. जैसे मुंह चढ़ाते थे. So we pucker the lips and shift them to right side like this. Okay, we hold it for 10 seconds and then we do it first on the right side, then on the left side, then right, left. We'll do 3 times each side. What does it do? It strengthens our lip muscles and it smoothens the fine lines around this area. So let's start 3 times on the right, 3 times on the left. First make a pout and eyes on this side. So when you are on this side, eyes have to be like this. It looks funny, don't laugh, just do it. Center, now left side. Center, now right side, last time. Left side. See, we have to make sure eyes are also moving when you are doing this because this is exercise for lip area as well as for the eyes area. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to kiss the sky. So, like this. This is the position and then we put the neck up. Like this. In this position, neck up and kiss the sky. Okay. So like a fish face. In the fish face, you do that. Don't laugh. Continue to do, please. So you will feel a lot of pressure on this side and also around your lips. And last one, we will hold up for 30 seconds in the same position. In this kissing position, you hold up. All right. I hope you can feel nice stretch in this area, in the lips area. So all these exercises that we are doing today is working around the lips area, lip and neck area. Okay, so next one is without teeth, we have to make a O. So just cover your teeth with your lips and then try to make a O. And where are your eyes? Just keep looking straight. And we are going to do it 5 times. Okay? So when we do it, we hold for 10 seconds and then we come back. Okay? So timer is there. So we hold for 10 seconds. 3 times. Now we'll do it 4th time. Don't worry about how funny you are looking, just keep doing. Alrighty. Take a deep breath. Make sure that we normalize the breath in between each set. So when you move to the next exercise, your breathing should be absolutely normal. Alright? Okay, so the next one, we are going to do laugh line massage. We are going to move our tongue on this side like in small circles, like this. So you are going to move like small circles like this, move up, move down. We do it 30 seconds on the right side and then 30 seconds on the left side. We are using our tongue inside the mouth to press against this area here. And we are making small circles. So go like this, then reverse, we bring it down like this. So when you are doing this, keep your breathing normal. So 30 seconds this side, 30 seconds this side. So what it does, it softens our smile lines and strengthens the cheek muscles overall. Okay, let's start. 30 seconds this side. Now this side. Now we'll do it inside, like circle here. 3 times we'll do clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. And move your eyes along with your tongue movement. Now we'll do reverse 3 times. All right. Now the last one in this set, which is we are going to just vibrate the lips. So we are going to keep the mouth slightly closed and make a sound. Okay, so this is really funny. I'm sure you may have done it when you were a child. This class is all about becoming a child again. So we do it for 30 seconds. And why is it good? It really is very good for your lips. It improves circulation in this mouth area. Okay, let's start. Everyone, 30 seconds. Sorry. You can do it. So even if it breaks, just keep doing. Okay, I think we're done. 30 seconds. We can do a little bit more. Okay, sounds good, right? Okay, so these were the exercises. All right, now we start the strength training session. And today we are going to work on the toning and building some muscle mass. One of the best way to stay young.
See, strength training keeps the metabolism high. It supports the joints, keep the skin naturally firm. And inside the UBAP application, this session happens alternate day with dance. And it happens at 7 a.m. for toning and weight loss if you don't have any pains. We also do this session at 6 p.m. every single day for the rehab. So in case you have any pains, you have injuries, then the 6 p.m. session is more suitable. And even if these timings don't suit you, the recordings are on the app for 24 hours. So make sure you attend whichever class. Everyday movement is very important. You just see it on the app, the strength training classes are there. Just join live or through recording. See, strength is beauty in motion. Let's start. Okay, so we are about to start. Yes. So, sir, what's the first exercise? I think all the female are ready. They want to listen.
Okay. So we are actually working on the pelvic floor muscle. The pelvic floor muscle is a muscle where the baby comes. Yeah. So after the delivery, what happens? The pelvic floor muscle becomes so weak. Lot of female, they sneeze and they pass urine. So these are the few exercises where we are going to focus on the pelvic floor muscle to make it stronger. It will not become overnight, but if you have to keep doing those exercise every single day, 3-4 times a day, so you will see your problem is gone. Your pelvis will become really super tight and strong. So let's start.
Yes.
So this is a very simple exercise. And now, see, technically doctor always talk about the patient, after this delivery, it's very little weird, but this is the way you can understand. Imagine you're sitting on the pot and you're passing the urine. So when you're holding the mid flow, so that is exactly that time you're holding your pelvic floor muscle. So imagine, or maybe you can imagine you want to go to the loo and there is no toilet. What you will do? So you're holding it. So that is the muscle we need to work on it. So you will never have that, the leakage problem or the looseness over there. So let's go.
Yes.
So very simple. You
So this
lie
is the
down.
first exercise.
Lie down on the floor, very relaxed. So if you see my body is very relaxed. So first I'm getting a feeling of passing the urine and holding the mid flow. So I'm holding that feeling and I'm doing this tilt. If you can see, so I'm pulling the pelvic towards me and then release. So pelvic floor has to be there where you are holding the mid flow. That feeling has to be there. Then you pull the pelvic towards you, hold it for a second and then release. So in this you should not push your pelvic forward. So no forward backward movement. It's only pulling it upside. So you're going to hold for a few seconds and then release. So if you do it for 20 seconds and slowly release, you can see how my pelvic is moving. So just holding it.
So everyone,
And
please
release.
start doing it with sir.
Yeah. Squeeze and breathe easy, not to hold your breath. Rest of the body is relaxed. Only you are just focusing on your pelvic. So this is called pelvic tilt.
So look
you're
at the
just
stomach muscles, how
tilting.
it is moving up. So make sure that in your own experience also the same thing is happening. So movement is happening from lower abs to upper abs and you are able to see it like this.
Squeeze and release. You can actually feel, how your muscles are the moving. Squeeze and release. Very good. Good.
Okay. Yes. Hopefully all of you were able to follow that as well. If any questions, please write in the comment section so that in the next classes, we can take care of all those points.
So this pelvic tilt, even when you're cooking, you're standing, you're walking, you're talking, you're doing anything, you can just contract, hold it. So this will give a habit to your brain, so the brain can react on it, so it will become really tight and strong. So you can do this in your daily life throughout the day, anytime. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So the second one, we're going to work on your, again, lower abs. So can you please lie down on your back? So this is just a very simple bridge extension, but in that we need to involve your pelvic floor muscle. So I want you to bend your both the knees. Yeah. So the pelvic floor muscle, again, you're holding that the muscle very tight where you're holding the mid floor. Yeah. Now slowly you're going to lift the bum as high as possible, squeeze the butt tight, and release very slowly where you're not completely relaxed. You're just going to touch your lower back on the floor and then come up and breathe out and hold that muscle really, really tight. So we'll go on for 20 seconds.
And
Very
you don't
good.
release the hold in the middle, so
Yeah.
pelvic is contracted
Yeah.
throughout.
So that contraction has to be there throughout for 20 seconds. Let your brain understand, let your brain train that way to hold it tight. Because of that stretch, so much stress over there, that's become very loose. So that muscle has to contract and relax. Very nice. Very good. The next one, we're going to work on again the pelvic floor muscle and the lower ab. So I want you to bend your knees. So this is called ab hold. So alternately, you're going to lift your single leg up in a 90-degree angle and then the other leg, and again you're going to put your leg down one by one. So make sure your lower back is pushed down, pelvic floor is holding really tight. Now lift your one leg up. Now hold 90-degree angle over here. Hold there. Breathe, not to hold your breath. Now lift the other leg, hold there. The pelvic has to be really hard. Now take your again right leg down, left leg down, and pelvic has to be tight. Again, do it. So same thing, we're going to do it for 20 seconds, but do it as slow as possible. So you can really feel that contraction on your lower ab, your pelvic floor muscle and the lower back. So in one exercise, you can actually working multiple muscles over there. Very good. Let's do one more time. Hold it up, take it slowly down, other leg down, and relax. Very good.
So for the full 20 seconds, you have to hold the pelvic contraction.
Yeah, the contraction has to be there. Even when you're talking and walking, you should just hold it tight for a few days. Then you don't have to do it. The brain will do it automatically, everything. But to do it, important. Ready?
Yes.
Come, let's come into the kneeling position. We're gonna do cat and camel stretch. So even in cat and camel stretch, we're going to hold that pelvic floor muscle tight as hard as possible. And then from there, you're going to lift your spine as high as possible. Hold there, and then push it down and hold there. So this is not for the mobility going up and down. We are working on your strength. So the chin has to go to the chest. Push your spine. If you see proper curve over there, and same way you're going to push your spine down. Yeah, hold it there, and the pelvic has to be really hard. Hold it tight. Now push your back down and look up. Now you can see the curve over here. Hold it there, but the pelvic floor muscle has to be tight all the time. Yeah, now again push it up, and all the time breathe. Push your chin all the way to the chest. Chin to your chest. Hold on there. Hold on. Now again one more time, push it down. Stay there. Breathe easy. Stay there. And slowly relax. Very good. Now throughout this movement, again, for you have to hold your pelvic really, really tight. So that's the thing. As you involve your muscle, your brain understands what is happening. So this is the way you can train your muscle to make it more stronger.
Yes. So all these 4 exercises you can do twice a day as well. So depending upon how much problem you are having currently, so you could do it twice, and within 1 month you will see a difference in how these muscles are behaving for you. Okay, let's take water, sir.
That's good. Keep it up. So now when we are stretching for the cool down, so this stretch has to be hold for 30 seconds and maybe onward we can hold it for 1 minute also, because this time we are actually bringing our body back to the normal, because exercise always shorten the muscle because it get torn and tight. So this stretching helps to make it relax to the normal position. Yeah. So we'll start with shoulder stretch. So shoulder stretch.
So if you can't stand, you can do it sitting down.
Yeah, okay. So just hand has to stay straight. You're going to pull your hand on your chest without bending your elbow. Back has to stay straight. And if you see my shoulder is not elevated, shoulder has to stay down. Just hold this stretch. So you can count yourself like 1 to 20 or maybe 30. Just stay there. You will see like your shoulder muscles are relaxing. The hand will come more closer to your chest slowly, slowly. Very nice. Same one, other side. Just keep your hand straight and just slowly, slowly, slowly bring it to your chest and without elevating your shoulder.
And with all the stretches, do it as much as your body allows. And then as you keep on breathing, your body will start allowing more and more.
Yeah. In stretching, if you try to apply force, so there is a contraction on the muscle and the joint. So you will not get flexibility, it's actually getting tighter. So just relax yourself and bring it very slowly, slowly. So you will feel your muscles are relaxing. Very good.
And to the extent it comes.
Let's stretch your biceps. So put your hands in the front, just pull your fingers slowly, slowly behind without bending your elbows. You can feel the stretch all the way going from your forearms to the biceps. Just hold the stretch. As you take it higher, it's harder. So just try to stay aligned with your shoulder. Very good.
And when you do this, you focus on the muscle which is getting flexed here.
And just breathe very normal, not to hold your breath. Let's do the other hand. As you're holding the breath, it's a contraction. So just breathe very easy. So you can feel your muscles are relaxing. Very good.
So flex it, do deep breathing, and then focus on the muscle which is getting flexed here.
Now let's stretch your triceps. So one hand behind, with the other hand, pull your elbow back and keep your hand as close as possible to your ear. Hold it there. Feel the stretch on your tricep. Again, breathe easy, not to pull really hard, just hold it over there. Automatically your muscle will relax. Just hold the stretch. Lovely. Other hand.
So this part of the exercise should feel like relaxation. That's the aim. So no ladai jhagda with the body, as much as you can stretch.
Relax. So now fingers interlock behind your body like this, and just slowly extend your arm and take it little higher as much you can, not to force and not to lean forward. It's not about leaning forward. You just have to just take it slowly, slowly up with elbows straight. Yeah. As you're bending forward, you will not get extra stretch because the angle is not increasing.
So keep breathing and then pulling it up as much as
You
your
will
body
see
allows.
your hand is going to go slowly, slowly higher as you relax your breathing and just hold the stretch.
So all these exercise in this module has to be done in a very cool and calm way. Mind on the muscle which is getting used. No holding of breath.
Relax. Let's stretch your neck now. So I wanted to keep your one hand behind opposite of your hip. Yeah. So the right hand will go on the left hip, and from there you are going to just with the other hand pull your neck very slowly and feel the stretch on your right side of your neck. Just look straight. So the ear should go towards the shoulder. You should not turn your head like this. So straight and hold the stretch. Breathe easy.
And focus on the neck muscle.
Yeah, feel the stretch. Release very slowly. Lovely. Now swap it. Keep your left hand behind on your right side of the hip, chin up, and slowly pull your head down. Hold, breathe easy.
And focus on where you feel the stretch.
Feel the stretch. Very good. Relax. Now we'll stand and do the leg stretch. So first we'll stretch your lower back. So I want you to keep your hands on your lower back like this and slightly just leaning backward. Just hold the stretch over. It's not about going all the way down. As per your flexibility, as per your strength, you can slightly lean backward. You will actually feel the release on your lower back because it's a traction when you're bending backward. Breathe easy. Very good. Same hold for a few seconds and relax.
And do as much as your body allows.
Yeah,
Because
now-
slowly with time, it will start becoming more and more flexible.
So let's stretch your quads. So one leg up holding. If you want, you can take support anywhere. Just hold it. So in this, both the legs has to stay in one line. Yeah, not to keep it in the front like this or not to take it away from the leg from the outside. From here, you can take it slightly behind. So where you can feel the stretch and try not to lean forward back straight. Same, breathe has to be very normal. Calm down your breathing. Lovely. Now swap it, other leg. Just hold it.
Don't fall down. Make sure you're balancing well. Or take support of a wall. And focus on the quad muscle, which is getting stretched.
Very good. Relax. Now the last one, we're going to work on your stretch your hamstring. So knees slightly bend. Put your hands on your quads and slightly lean forward. So this is actually supporting your lower back, but you will feel the good stretch on your below the glutes on the hamstring. And breathe very easy. No holding breath.
And you can go as much as your body allows. So if it goes less, that's fine for now. Keep breathing, keep focusing on the lower back.
and slowly come up. Well done. So this is the way we actually improve your flexibility. So slowly, if you keep doing stretching like this, you will feel like you're getting better with the range of motion.
Absolutely.
Well done.
So, okay.